Hello again. I hope you're having a great day. Welcome to Language Broker English Lesson 6.1. Today we learn pronouns. Pronouns replace nouns. We will learn, memorize, and practice. Let's begin with subject pronouns. I, I, I. A singular person who you are talking to. You, you, you. Man or boy. He, he, he. Woman or girl. She, she, she. A thing. It, it, it. Two or more people, including yourself. We, we, we. Two or more people that you are talking to. You, you, you. Two or more people that you are talking about. They, they, they. Let's look at examples. Amy can dance. Amy can dance. Amy can sing. Amy can sing. Change Amy to I. I can dance. I can dance. I can dance. I can sing. I can sing. I can sing. David works. David works. David studies English. David studies English. Change David to you. You work. You work. You work. You study English. You study English. You study English. Randy runs home. Randy runs home. Randy closes the door. Randy closes the door. Change Randy to he. He runs home. He runs home. He runs home. He closes the door. He closes the door. He closes the door. Pam has a cat. Pam has a cat. Pam reads books. Pam reads books. Change Pam to she. She has a cat. She has a cat. She has a cat. She reads books. She reads books. She reads books. The dog chases the ball. The dog chases the ball. The dog eats. The dog eats. You can change the dog to it chases the ball. It chases the ball. It chases the ball. If you know the gender of the dog, you can also say he chases the ball. He chases the ball. He chases the ball. Or she chases the ball. She chases the ball. She chases the ball. It eats. It eats. It eats. Or he eats. He eats. He eats. Or she eats. She eats. She eats. Amy and Alan love dogs. Amy and Alan love dogs. Amy and Alan have a family. Amy and Alan have a family. Change Amy and Alan to we. We love dogs. We love dogs. We love dogs. We have a family. We have a family. We have a family. People work all day. People work all day. People talk all day. People talk all day. Change people to you. You work all day. You work all day. You work all day. Or you guys work all day. You talk all day. You talk all day. You talk all day. Or you guys talk all day. Children. Children play. Children play. Children laugh. Children laugh. Change children to they. They play. They play. They play. They laugh. They laugh. They laugh. Wonderful! You just learned all of the English subject pronouns. That is all for today. Click like, click subscribe. Go to the next lesson. Thank you. Bye.